Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about how to get the best return for your home improvement projects. So in the Dallas market, home prices are climbing rapidly, and so there are a lot of neighborhoods where it would be better for you to stay and remodel or upgrade than it would to purchase a new home further out. Commuting distances, quality of life, those things can affect your well-being as a homeowner. So I want to talk to you about getting the best return on your home improvement projects. So first of all, there's a lot of things to take into consideration, but mainly we want to look at whether you're going to live in the home for a long time, you're designing this improvement for a resale, or if you're designing it to stay in the home and enjoy your home. So if the latter is your preference, to enjoy your home and stay in your home for a long time, then you can kind of go a little bit wild on your home improvement projects. You can put in those luxury items that you personally want, like an outdoor summer kitchen, patio, or pool. If you have a long time to repay those things and you can enjoy them, then they'll make it worth your while. However, if you're looking at a project to get your house ready to sell for a home improvement, then you want to look at short-term investments, such as upgrading your kitchens and baths. These are going to get you the most ROI. You'd be surprised to learn that just replacing your front door gets you about 97% return on your investments. So there's a lot of things to consider when doing a home improvement. So your neighborhood, you want to look at your neighborhood and make sure that it will support the amount of budget that you want to look at for increasing your home, such as adding a second story or adding a extra bedroom or bath. Will your neighborhood support it? If your home is old, built in 1940 to the 1990s, then your investment in upgrades and replacements are definitely going to see a much higher return than if your home is less than 10 years old. And upgrading where is appropriate. So don't put an ultra-modern kitchen in a traditional home. You won't see much of a return on your investment. That's a very specific item, and there's not a lot of people out there that would want that specific item. So if you have any questions about the best opportunities for home improvements, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Richard Woodward. I am the Specialty Lending Manager for Service First Mortgage, and I do a lot of renovation loans. I talk to a lot of contractors, a lot of clients. I can assist you in helping you to finance your home improvement. So if you want to stay in your existing home and take advantage of your equity and do a second floor or a home improvement of any kind, just reach out to me. I'll be happy to give you any advice. And if you'd actually register or send me an email today, I'll send you my free ebook on how to buy a fixer-upper. This will assist you in learning the steps and what needs to go into it. We also can provide you with a list of our pre-approved contractors, people that we've already helped loans get closed with. These are people that are experienced and have done a good job. So call me today if you need any assistance on the best return on your home improvement investment. 214-945-1066. We're here to help you, and as always, we're here to make this a wise and informed decision for you. Thank you so much, and give us a call today.